Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your job has been replaced by AI. It's already happening, faster than anyone expected. From customer service to doctors, from truck drivers to writers, AI is taking over industries one by one. But here's the real question. Will AI take your job? Or will it create even better opportunities? The answer may shock you. AI isn't just science fiction anymore. It's already working in almost every industry. Customer support. AI chatbots can answer thousands of customer questions without getting tired. Truck driving and delivery. Self-driving trucks are being tested right now, and companies want them on the road soon. Healthcare. AI can diagnose diseases, analyze X-rays, and even assist in surgery. Writing and creativity. AI can now write articles, create artwork, and even compose music. The truth? If your job is repetitive and data-driven, AI will replace it. But don't panic just yet, because this is where it gets interesting. AI is powerful, but it still has limitations. Creative jobs. While AI can generate art and music, it struggles with original, emotional storytelling. Human connection jobs, therapists, teachers, and social workers require deep empathy, something AI can't fake. Yet, hands-on work, electricians, plumbers, and mechanics rely on real-world problem-solving AI can't fully grasp. So, will AI replace all jobs? No, but it will change the job market forever. If AI is coming for jobs, how can you stay ahead? Learn AI and tech skills. If you understand how AI works, you can work with it instead of being replaced by it. Develop creativity and critical thinking. AI is great at facts, but humans excel at ideas and innovation. Stay adaptable. The best skill for the future? Lifelong learning. Keep evolving as technology changes. The workplace is changing fast. AI will eliminate some jobs. AI will create new jobs we can't even imagine yet. AI will force us to adapt, innovate, and evolve. Are you ready for the AI revolution? So, what do you think? Is AI taking over too fast? Or will it create more opportunities than it destroys? Drop a comment below. I want to hear your thoughts. And if you want more mind-blowing AI content, subscribe now and share this video. Because trust me, your friends need to see this.